Yo, 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 yo. It's your boy MF Crypto here, aka Quantstradamus, aka the Wife Changer, aka the Quant Father. Once again. And as always, I'm on a mission to help you build generational wealth. Welcome back to the channel, my fellow Quant fam community. And for all of you who may be tuning in for the very first time, welcome in as well. I have an explosive Quant Network video update for you today. Merry Christmas to the Quant Familia. Digital transformation in banking has arrived. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope every single one of you is having a very blessed holiday with your respective families, loved ones, even those in your family that you may not be very fond of. You need to belittle them, make fun of them, bash them politically at the Christmas dinner table. Big Papa Quantstradamus said it was okay, so that means it's completely fine. I need you to have a sip of your eggnog, feet kicked back, ready to enjoy a massive breakdown here as far as Quant Network is concerned. We have a huge official Quant.network press release from the team themselves. None other than our very own Martin Hargreaves. He's going to drop a bombshell on you here later on in this video as I dive deep into that article. But to kick this off, ladies and gentlemen, we're having a nice Christmas Eve pump here, up 4.33% on the daily, currently trading at 121.73. Just a few days ago, we saw a low of $95.66. That was on the 20th at around 7 a.m. Fast forward to today, we have rebounded back above the 120 price point marker. Now, a lot of that had to do with Bitcoin sentiment and Bitcoin's price point imploding. It has since rebounded and found a steady support level. When Bitcoin trades sideways is when we are at our absolute best in the altcoin market. Continue to DCA, dollar cost average, if you believe in this token as much as Big Papa Quantstradamus does. Never financial advice, always do your own research. But this is the GOD token. Can we kick off a happy Kwanzaa with a blast up to 140? Can I get some Kwanzaa love up in here? Or maybe my Jewish peoples. Can we annihilate that 140 marker and rise up into that 150, 160 price point, settled around the menorah and doing all the things that my Semitic peoples do? Can we get a big time Quant Network price explosion over these holidays? I kind of want to believe we can, but you know, I'm putting it out in the ether, baby. Let's your man's Quantstradamus put it out in the ether so that everybody can have a blessed holidays. Big Papa Quantstradamus, he shepherds the flock. He saith, don't ever get it twisted. Now, switching gears over to that explosive Quant Network official press release dated 1 month ago today. Digital transformation in banking, financial services, and insurance. The future of money by Big Mama Rachel Ball. Earlier this month, senior European finance professionals gathered in Amsterdam for the Digital Transformation in BFSI event. Our Chief Product Officer, Martin Hargreaves, delivered a keynote presentation on the future of money. We believe that tokenized money, secure and programmable, will allow commercial banks to build new products, create new revenue lines, and simplifying existing processes. Quant has been at the forefront of digitalizing financial services. Over the last 3 years, we've been involved in several forward-thinking digital finance projects. Martin began his presentation by providing an overview of the main ones. Quant's expertise in regulated tokenized money. LACchain 2022, a USD retail cross-border bank-to-bank and remittance payments infrastructure in South America. In 2023, Project Rosalind, a retail central bank digital currency experiment with the Bank for International Settlements and the Bank of England. 2024, the UK Regulated Liability Network, the future state of UK payments, including ubiquitous programmability and tokenized deposits, with UK finance representing UK-based commercial banks. All the while setting standards and registering patents such as ISO TC 307 DLT interoperability and IETF draft RFC, Secure Asset Transfer Protocol, or SATP. Guys, we're continuing to win. The world has not woken up to the beast that is Quant Network yet. This is the greatest asset on the planet. Understand that. Get your ducks in a row. Yada, yada, yada. I've said it a million times on this channel, but for those of you who may be here for the very first time, this is the number one project in all of crypto. It is bigger than crypto itself. Study up. DCA, never financial advice, but get into this asset if you see the writing on the wall like I do and like all of my Quant familia does. LackChain, a USD retail cross-border bank-to-bank and remittance payments infrastructure. Leverage distributed ledger technology to increase financial inclusion, improve the sustainability of supply chains, and protect intellectual property and reduce fraud. Martin then described our involvement in the Bank of England's retail central bank digital currency experiment, Project Rosalind, that tested how application programming interfaces could facilitate retail payments in CBDCs and support the exploration of innovative CBDC use cases. He outlined the key lessons from this project. Smart contracts lend themselves very well to simulating payment systems. Smart contracts and DLTs are simpler to consume when they are made accessible to users via APIs. DLT performance is not yet proven. Three-party fund locks have potential across a wide range of use cases. Finally, Martin covered our most recent work on UK Finance's Regulated Liability Network that explored the future state of payments, including programmability and tokenized deposits, and what UK payments may look like in 2030. The lessons he shared from this project were: an industry overlay can provide the same benefits as tokenizing at a lower cost. Settlement doesn't have to be immediate. It can be rapid and safely guaranteed with locks. Building new products to create new revenue lines or simplifying existing processes is key to commercialization. Banks may not want to share a ledger. A network of connected ledgers provides many of the same benefits. Martin then moved on to explore the different forms of tokenized money. But before we go into this next graphic, ladies and gentlemen, banks may not want to share a ledger. And this is something I've touched on many times right here on the MF Crypto channel. They are not going to want to share a ledger or a universal ledger. This is still a dog-eat-dog environment, the highest level and highest form of dog-eat-dog. The banks are the biggest power players on this planet, and the Fortune 500 list is littered with financial institutions. Those who control the money control the world. Now, take a step back. If Quant Network is the project that is going to introduce a network of connected ledgers for the financial institutions of our planet, what does that make Quant Network? I'll tell you, ladies and gentlemen, it makes it one of the most powerful up-and-coming blockchain projects on planet Earth. If Gilbert Verdian is able to reach his lofty goals, and I have explained to you in very extensive detail on this channel time and time again why I believe there is no question he will, then you have a share and you have a vested interest in a project that will be the new backbone of the financial infrastructure of our planet. Quant Network is a true one of one. Different forms of tokenized money, they vary greatly in terms of safety, and only some types of tokenized money are truly valuable. Central bank digital currencies are the safest. Much experimentation ongoing currently. Most politically sensitive. Censorship, control of people's assets by the government. That is something that I am very concerned with moving forward, and it is something that each and every single one of us are going to have to come face to face with one day. But if it's going to come down the pipeline, ladies and gentlemen, and it is a certainty that it will, CBDCs are all but a certainty. It is simply ironing out the details behind the scenes and getting the laws into place before they can be implemented, as well as the destruction, and I mean absolute decimation, of the current global economy as we know it, before the phoenix can rise from the ashes and they can bring the CBDCs online. Tokenized deposits safe, subject to banking rules and regulatory work ongoing, commercial and likely to be adopted. Stable coins, less safe, much regulatory work ongoing. Barriers may be as high as banking. Crypto, not even remotely safe, as we have seen time and time again in this space if you've been a part of it for any period of time. Rug pulls left and right. The Hawk Tuah girl, most recently, for her internet viral fame, just pulled the rug out from under her investors with her new token she launched, as well as a myriad of different crypto/influencers and just regular everyday celebrities rug pulling people with their own cryptos, like 50 Cent, Andrew Tate, on and on and on. Not even remotely safe, governed by different sets of regulation. Buyer beware. The characteristics of truly, quote, valuable money. Programmable. Instant settlement and atomicity, interoperable with existing systems, new payment instruments that open up new revenue lines, lower costs, and mitigate risks. This is what Quant Network has been working on for several years now, and they are light years ahead of the pack, and they are working in tandem with the UK, the United Kingdom government, to make sure that they are in lockstep with the laws that will be implemented in order for this system to unfold on not only a national scale in the UK, but an international scale, a global scale one day. That's what Quant Network is blazing the trail on right now as we speak. Although CBDCs are regarded as the safest form of tokenized money, not least because they're backed by central banks, Martin believes that tokenized deposits and stablecoins as the most commercially viable. But why would financial institutions consider using these new forms of money? The answer is programmability, functionality that Quant has been at the forefront of developing alongside some of the financial institutions involved in these projects. For tokenized money to work, Martin concluded, it must be secure, programmable, and be able to unlock liquidity for the digital financial markets of the future. Ladies and gentlemen, the writing is on the wall. This project is blazing the trails for digital assets, tokenized deposits, CBDCs, stablecoins, crypto, tokenized deposits, you name it. Any form of digital asset, technological advancement, or assets on the blockchain. Quant Network is going to be the overarching interoperability system that makes it all work together seamlessly in real time. This is my Merry Christmas present to each and every single one of you out there listening right now. Quant Network is the wife-changing token. It will bring generational wealth. Screw the not financial advice. You've heard me say it enough already. This is the ultimate asset. Get your ducks in a row. I'm going to finish this video off today with one tweet from my very own Twitter account at @TheRealMFCrypto, aka Big Papa Quant Dom Dom. Can't keep the Quant fam down for long. Let's go, boys. Rally caps are on. We're rallying. It's a Christmas Day miracle coming, baby. Get that QNT accumulated and wake up tomorrow with your stocking stuffed to the brim with the greatest asset on planet Earth. Thank you for listening. Thank you for tuning in. This has been another feature presentation by MF Crypto, aka Quantstradamus, aka the Wife Changer, aka the Quant Father, the #1 source for all your Quant Network news. I'll see you next episode. Cheers.
If the lion is the king of the jungle, how can he be the king of the jungle? If he's not the biggest, the elephant is probably one of the biggest. He can't be the fastest because that's a cheetah. He can't be the smartest. So he's not the biggest, the fastest, or the smartest. So how does a lion become the king of the jungle? His mentality. That's the only difference of a lion and an elephant. When a lion walks up and sees an elephant, he thinks lunch. An elephant thinks run. And it's all mentality. Because when a male lion walks up, he may be outnumbered by a pack of hyenas, but I'm king of my jungle because of my mentality.
What happens when you're a gazelle and you're not being pushed, you're not being prodded, you're not given a reward, nobody's encouraging you? What happens when you're a gazelle and the lion's not chasing you anymore? You stop running. But what happens when you're a lion? When you are a lion, it does not make a difference. You realize that if your family is going to eat, that if that pack of lions is to survive, then you gotta go hunt. A part of being a beast just ain't eating a gazelle. A part of being a beast is the hunt. It's the hunt that they're excited about. They like to see the gazelles run. Then boom, they take off. Because real lions like to hunt. They love the process just as much as they love the prize. And some of y'all just want to score. You don't like the process. You're not in love with the process.
A true hunter's goal is not the prize. A true hunter's goal is to hunt. That's what they live for. They live to hunt. They don't just live to catch it. It's the whole process. When you are a true hunter, you don't go by time, you go by the gazelle. When you are a true hunter, you hunt until you get a gazelle, and you don't stop until you get one. And then you get another, and then you get another, and you get another.
If you're gonna do what you say you're gonna do, be what you say you're gonna be, you're gonna have to lion me out. You a gazelle, you're gonna come up short. You a gazelle, you're gonna have an average experience. You a student, I need you in lion mode. You an entrepreneur, I need you in lion mode. You trying to lose weight, lion mode. You can't do nothing significant in gazelle mode, nothing. Nothing impressive happens in gazelle mode. Nothing happens in run mode, give up mode, quit mode, scared mode, fearful mode, nothing happens. Everything happens in lion mode like I'm coming to get you.